Bass Fanatics here, guys. We're doing it again. One day off from work. Listen, we're just gonna go to some local pond today because I got my son with me. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you gonna do today?
Catch bacon.
I taught him right. He's gonna catch big uns. He's got his little Mickey Mouse pole right here. We got this month's lucky tackle box. We're gonna do it right. Last time we went out there, he caught a big one on a Senko worm. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a big things today, guys. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna get it.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Catch bacon.
Yeah, where are we going right now to get what? Gonna get worms, right?
Yeah.
Gonna get worms?
Yeah.
We're at the sunshine getting worms, boys. The net?
Yeah.
We don't need the net.
Hey.
What do you got there?
Catch.
You
Go.
got worms and what else?
Big.
Big bobber?
Yeah. Big bobber.
Yeah. What are you gonna do now with all that stuff?
Catch bacon.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Look at that.
That's bacon.
We got a fish, bro.
That's tiny one.
That's a tiny one?
Yeah.
Oh, you making fun of me?
Yeah.
You want to touch him?
No.
It's okay. Come here, look, I'll show you. He's not going to hurt you, look. He's pretty, huh? Look,
Touch it.
touch him right here, look. He's not going to... Got him. There's one, first cast. And I picked him up. Yeah, well, if you keep doing... Alright. That could have been just a fluke on that catch, though. Could have been a reaction strike. If that's the case, I won't catch another one on this bait. A lot of muck in here lately. Got him. There's one. Pulling them out. Bye, Felicia. No, leave it right there. Don't reel. Just leave it. Something will bite it, okay? As if. It's ridiculous. I was hoping. Javi, I said leave it. If you don't leave it, they're not going to bite it, okay? We doubled up. Me and my son doubled up. He didn't bring his in, but that's okay. That was awesome. Just made my day. That was a big one, Javi. That was a big one.
Yeah.
You want Daddy to catch one with you? This guy's trying hook sets. Look at him. You're a natural. You're a natural, bud.
Daddy, I pushed the button.
Don't push the button.